Yeah, good morning, everyone. Can you guys hear me? Can you see me? If you can hear me, if you can see me, let me know that you can hear me and you can see me. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys see me? If you can hear me and you can see me, let me know. Good. You guys can hear me. Amazing. So please, sorry for all the hitches. We are back now. Let's do this. So please, anyone that you know that should be here that is not here, let them know that we are back on live. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go make some money.
So you just sold your bit.
Sorry for all the hitches, man. We are about to go hot. Okay. Sorry for all the hitches. We're about to go in live and hot, straight up, man. Let's make money. Money must be made as usual. You guys know how we do it on this channel. So let's just wait for a few more people to join before we start up ASAP. Oh. So once you join us, let's know your name and where you are joining us from. Let's know your name and where you are joining us from, okay? If you join us, let's know your name and where you are joining us from, guys. Okay. Apologies for all the hitches, man. We had some technical setbacks, but we are back again because money must be made as usual. So please share the link with your friends, your family, every trader you know out there that wants to make money. I don't know whether there are some traders that don't want to make money, but every single trader you know out there that wants to make money, let them know that we're live. Okay, let's go. I'm trying to do some set up at the back end, then we would go live. So please, once you join us, let's know your name and where you're joining us from. Okay, your name and where you are joining us from. Your name and where you're joining us from. Let's make money. Let's make money. And if you believe that we're going to make money today, let me see on the chat. Type money must be made. You guys know our slogan. Money must be made. Money by every righteous means. Money must be made. Ha. I'm ready, guys. I was just about leaving the house before we had these technical glitches. So I had to stay back to do this for you guys. Okay. Yup. Please let them know. Let them know that we are back online. So just a few seconds, guys. Let me update. Let me make some updates. Shortly, we'll be going to the charts, guys. So we'll be going to the charts shortly. Okay, guys. So let's go. I see you guys. I see everyone. I see everyone. Taiwo from Lagos, good to see you. Hanya Buhari from Yobe, good to see you. Victor Joseph, good to see you. Yeah. I can see you guys already. So let's go. Clinton from Cameroon, good to see everyone. Let's go make some money straight up. So I'll be sharing my link, sharing my screen. Sorry, straight up. You guys know how to do it. We'll first of all start with analyzing the charts, and then okay, guys. So let's go. We'll start from analyzing the charts. Then, um, if we see a signal, then we call a signal. Okay. If we see a setup, we call a setup. Okay. So are you guys ready? If you're ready, let me know you're ready. Type ready. Type I'm ready. I'm ready on the chat. If you are ready, type I'm ready. If you are ready, type I'm ready. Let me know you guys are ready. Let me know you guys are ready. Let's go. Let's go. Yup. I see you guys typing. I'm ready. Okay, amazing. So let's go, guys. Let's go. So straight into the chart. This is what we are looking at. I'll start my analysis from Euro GBP, as you guys know. Starting my analysis from Euro GBP. I have some trades that I've been patiently looking out for. I'm waiting for since yesterday. I'm hopeful that they'll be playing out a lot today. We have a news event coming out by 1:30. It's not that big of a news event though, but we might expect some shaking in the market. Okay, so everyone keep your eyes peeled by 1:30. Okay, good. So Euro GBP, I've been expecting this market to actually, as of 2 weeks ago, I was actually expecting the market to give us an uptrend. Why is my okay? Good. So I was expecting the market to actually push up from this zone. 2 weeks ago, I was expecting that this zone right here will actually give us, hold and probably push the market upwards. That was when the market was somewhere here. I was expecting that this zone will actually hold, but unfortunately, that did not happen, and we had this market actually break down. Okay, break down and gave us a lower low. So right now, this zone you see me mark out, this red zone right here is what you guys know we call our Q zone. This is our Q zone. So we're waiting for the market to actually come back somewhere here. How I got this zone was from Fibonacci. If you put the Fibonacci 2 from here all the way to low and to the high, you will see that this zone I marked is between the 50% and 61.8% zone. That is where I'm expecting this market to actually bounce off from. So I'm very patient. I'll be very patient to wait for this market to, get to our Q zone, this red zone here, before we do anything. Okay, so I expect also you guys should be patient. Let's just wait for this market to get to our Q zone on a 4-hour time frame. Let me move the Fibonacci away. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that the market is slowly approaching the zone also. This one right here. And we are slowly seeing something that looks like a resistance, but I will not be quick to start selling from this zone. Okay, I don't want to. I really don't want to sell from this zone. This is my target zone, so I'm waiting for something of this nature. If I get something like this and get my favorite candlestick patterns for entry, I'll actually be entering from this zone. Okay, somewhere here, right? So that is actually what we are looking out for. This is our Q zone. Okay. So Euro GBP, that's it. I'm looking out for a sell opportunity on Euro GBP. So let's move to Euro USD. Let's move to Euro USD. Now, Euro USD, I was expecting a buy on Euro USD, considering the weekly time frame. As you can see on the weekly time frame, we have been having higher highs and higher lows. I mean, even the blind can see that this is clearly an uptrend so far. This is our previous high, this is our previous low, and we have not broken below any of them. So we are still clearly on an uptrend. And also, if you look upwards, we still have a few more pips to go before we get to a major resistance, which is somewhere here, which is a key level we're seeing here. Let me make it clearer so everyone can see it much more easily. So this zone is where the market is likely heading to. This is our next zone of possible resistance. This is our next zone of possible resistance right here. Okay, so we're expecting this market to actually bounce up from this zone. So I'm not deceived by this whole thing happening here, this whole fall from here to here. I'm not deceived by this. Okay, from a weekly time frame, I can still clearly see, even on the daily time frame, if you look backwards, you can clearly see we still have higher highs and higher lows. So all the same, somebody's asking, am I the only one that's saying blurry stuff? No, I think you're the only one. Yes, because if you change your settings to 720p, go to the quality of the video, click on settings, go to quality of the video, you can actually move it back to 720p, so it becomes much more clearer for you. Okay, so I think it's only blurry on your end. It should be very, very clear. Okay. So back to the chart, guys. So I'm still expecting a buy. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm still expecting a buy to happen. As of Monday morning, this is what I was expecting to have happen on this market. I was expecting something like this to happen, like this, then get a resistance here. Inside is our red zone, which is our Q zone, before we actually start buying. But unfortunately, it bounced off, touch that. This is our Q zone and is actually back. Okay, so I'm still very, very positive, and I am patiently waiting for a buy to happen. So the only thing that can actually inform my buy again right now in this market is if we get a resistance, if we are able to get this market to close, let's say that let's assume this candle actually closes above this. Okay, in which case this would have been a very, very valid head and shoulders inverse head and shoulders pattern. This being the first shoulder, then the head, then the second shoulder, and then if we break and close above the neckline, of course, you guys know what follows: uptrend, right? You guys understand how these things works now, right? So that's what we're actually expecting. We just need to break and close above this particular neckline. Okay, this head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulders, and then we'll be going in for a buy. Okay, but early entries, if at the end of, let's say, 12 p.m. GMT +1, we're able to get an engulfing candle. If this blue candle that is forming right here, if it's able to engulf this red candle, that's also a positive signal, indicating a buy, in which case we can actually take the risk to go buy. Okay, the only fears, the only concerns I have personally at this time is that we have a news coming out by 1:30, sorry. So that's the only scary thing about this particular setup. But like I said, I'm actually I'm very willing to risk it. I mean, Forex is a game of risk, you guys know. Okay. And I forgot to give you guys normal disclaimer. We have a disclaimer that I usually share with everyone, that joins us on our live trading platform. Number one is you are not under it's not by force to take all the trade signals that will be calling for you. So it's at your discretion, and make sure you're using proper risk management. Secondly, our win rate is 75%. That means 75%, 75%, to be very humble about it. Let's say 70%. That means that 30% of the time we will be wrong. Okay. And there's nothing bad about being wrong. 30% of the time we will be wrong, okay, and that's fine. But 70% of the time we make money, okay. 70% of the time we've come on live here to share signals with you. We've made money, you guys know that, but from experience. And just so to give newbies that have not been with us or have not traded with us live, this is our normal disclaimers, okay. So I'm actually favoring an uptrend on this on a one on let me put a moving average and see what we have on moving average on 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, let me see what we have. Okay, so we're still below this both 20 and 50 moving average on Euro USD. Okay, but like I said, my bias is on a buy. By the time by in like 10 minutes time, we'll decide what to do with Euro USD. Okay, so let me go ahead and flag it as blue so we can easily come back to it. Okay, fantastic. Somebody is asking, what candlestick should we look out for and what time frame, please? For Euro USD, I would typically advise that you watch this with, follow this up with a 1 hour time frame. Follow this up with a 1 hour time frame. That's my typical advice. Okay, I'll personally be following it up with a 1 hour time frame, and I suggest you should actually do the same. Okay. So let's go back to GBP USD. Let's see what is happening on GBP USD. So GBP USD has reached this major key level, which is why we are seeing this resistance here. We're seeing the market bouncing off the zone, which was a previous resistance zone, turned support, and it is still a support. As you can see, we're still sitting above that level, and on a weekly time frame, you can clearly see that we are still on an uptrend, just like Euro USD. Okay, we're still on an uptrend, just like Euro USD, and I personally believe anytime soon, both Euro USD and GBP USD will be giving us some uptrending vibes. Okay, so I will keep eyes on GBP USD definitely. So I'll just mark it as blue. We're coming back to GBP USD shortly. Okay, so let's keep our eyes on GBP USD and Euro USD. AUD USD, I've been on a sell position since like a week now on AUD USD. I've been on the sell position. It gave me TP1. I didn't want to take my profit. I wanted to hit my target, which was 0.6318 zone. But all the same, I don't think there's anything to see currently on AUD USD. The trend looks like it's looking forward to change to a buy setup, but there is really nothing to see here. I'll not be calling any signal on this, so let me just go ahead and unflag it. Okay, so I'll be jumping NZD USD, probably the same thing on Euro USD and GBP USD. So let's go to Euro CAD. Let's see what we have on Euro CAD. Okay, let's see what we have on Euro CAD. So on Euro CAD, on a daily time frame, I analyzed Euro CAD for you guys on Sunday, and on Euro CAD, I was actually expecting this market to just keep grinding slowly all the way up, all the way to this zone here, all the way up to this 1.4856 zone, which unfortunately that did not it did not happen, but it's still just the way it was, where the market was when the market opened. It hasn't gone up, it hasn't gone down. It went up on, I think this was on Tuesday. It rallied a little bit on Tuesday, then fell again on Wednesday. Okay, So, but all the same, my bias is still favoring the uptrend, because this is where I think the market is actually going to do a major reaction from 1.4856 zone. Okay, so we'll just keep our eyes peeled for Euro CAD, right? In 8 minutes, I'll hopefully be calling for you guys a signal, so please stay patient. I just want this full 1 hour candlestick to be formed on Euro USD and on GBP USD. Once we get the full 1 hour time frame, 1 hour candle formed, hopefully we'll be able to get something, get a signal on Euro USD or GBP USD. So keep your eyes peeled. Okay, so this is another trade I actually entered early hours of this morning. This is a trade I entered early hours of this morning, hoping to push this market, downwards. Okay, so let me see whether I can still get a significant entry, because entry now, of course, it might be late for you guys, but just keep your eyes, for those of you who actually know what you're doing, just keep your eyes on AUD CAD. Any little retracement, entering here, entering now, because the market is already moving, might be like 10 15 pips late. Sorry about that. So just so you know. But however, it's still possible to get yourself a very good entry. If we get a retracement happen, something like this, you can actually sell. If the market goes back to our entry, you can actually sell AUD CAD. So you can take a screenshot of this. I'll just leave it on the screen for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's it. That's actually what this is something to consider on AUD CAD. Okay, if we get the retracement, go ahead and sell. The market is already on our Q zone. Okay, so you can actually sell from anywhere around this red, this zone right here. Okay, you can sell somewhere here if the market retraces. Okay, so that's it for AUD CAD. So let's move over to, let me check NZD CAD. NZD CAD, there is nothing to see here. There's nothing interesting to see on AUD CAD. The market is on no man's land. So nothing to see on AUD CAD. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. So over to USD CAD. Over to USD CAD. I have been expecting a sell on AUD CAD since Monday. Considering my sentimental analysis on USD CAD, sorry, I've been expecting a sell to actually happen, but it has actually been just delaying up. Delaying all the way. And when I saw this zone being, forming a very good a support, my buyers actually tilted a little bit to the upside for USD CAD. I'm not actually in this trade. I'm not in this particular trade, but this is what my buyers on USD CAD actually looks like momentarily. Okay, this is not a signal, so please don't enter USD CAD. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying that my buyers are tilted a little bit to the upside. Okay, so let's go to Euro CHF. Let's see what we have on Euro CHF. 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes, guys. In 5 minutes, we'll likely have a signal on Euro USD or GBP USD. So stay tuned. Go nowhere. Okay. Euro CHF. On Euro CHF, as you can see, this is the this is a multi-year low. This 0.9485 zone, and I've been sharing analysis on Euro CHF for you guys like for the last 2 months. Every time on our Sunday analysis, I always tell you guys that Euro CHF is falling, it's falling, it's falling. This zone right here, I marked this zone out in like, since this should be like 2 months. I've been showing you guys this zone, and true to what I always say, the market keeps grinding all the way down, keeps grinding slow to that zone. So my bias is definitely favoring a sell on Euro CHF. My bias is still favoring a sell on Euro CHF. Okay, this is our Q zone. This red zone right here, this is our Q zone. This right here is our Q zone. We're waiting for the market to get to the zone, and then we enter in for a sell. Okay, the market approached that zone, as you can see, but it didn't touch it. It didn't touch it. And you guys know the way I like to trade. I like to be very, very, precise. I like picking the market from the best possible trading point. Okay. In which case is this red zone. Okay. So I don't want to enter too early. Early entries, our stop loss might have to be, bigger than, what we typically would have. So even if you want to enter on this trade, the best you can get from this trade is like 1:1, to be fair enough. So this is not, to me, this is not good entry. A trade that can only give you 1:1 for me is not a good trade. Okay, but my bias, of course, is a sell. Okay, so if you want to take the risk, that's fine. 30 pips, go on a sell Euro CHF, 30 pips, risk to reward, or you can swing it, hopefully to catch all the way down to this zone. Okay, all the way down to here. Okay, so you can actually swing this trade and get a 1:2. Okay, so that's for Euro CHF. Okay, that's for Euro CHF. So let's go. Let's see. Let me check NZD CHF. If you have any currency pair also that you would love us to analyze, let me know. 2 minutes, guys. In 2 minutes, we'll be going back to Euro USD and USD CHF, keeping our eyes peeled for a possible buy setup. Okay. NZD CHF is actually going to the abyss. Is actually heading to hell right now. This is like the lowest low ever on NZD CHF. Where the market is right now on NZD CHF, it has never been there ever before. Okay, so this is the lowest of low. This is the abyss of NZD CHF. Okay, so we'll be just keeping our fingers crossed on this one. And of course, my bias is definitely a sell. If we're going to the abyss, I mean, why not? Why not follow all the way down? Okay. So, but like I said, just keep your eyes open on NZDCHF. Okay. So 1 minute, guys, 1 minute. Let's go. On Euro JPY, I'm on a buy on Euro JPY. I'm on a buy on Euro JPY. You can actually jump in on this is let's just call this a signal because that is what it is. I'm actually on a buy on NZ on Euro JPY. Okay, I'll give you guys entries and exit like right now. I'm actually on a buy on Euro JPY. I'm on a buy, guys. I'm on a buy on Euro JPY. That's like my first trade for today. First trade for today, Euro JPY buy. Let me type the entries and exit for you on the chart. So Euro JPY buy, Euro JPY. I'm already on this trade. I entered like about an hour ago, but the market is still at my entry, so it's still good for each entry. Buy Euro JPY. My SL on this is 157, 157 dot 07. TP 159.04, 159.04. Entry. I entered at 157.82. So I just dropped the signal, guys. Can you see what I just dropped right now? Pin, good. So I've pinned the message for those that might be joining later. Okay. So we're buying Euro JPY. We're buying Euro JPY. Our entry is at 157.82. Our stop loss is at 157.07, and our take profit is at 159.04. Okay, so if you enter the trade, please let me know you have entered the trade. Okay, now the reason I'm entering this trade is very, very simple. On a daily time frame, which is my major time frame of reference, this is clearly an uptrend. This is clearly an uptrend, as you can see on a daily time frame right here. And this is our most previous low. This is our most previous high. As you can see on a 4-hour time frame, I'm already seeing resistance happen here. The resistance happened here. The market broke below this zone, did a liquidity. This looks to me like a clear, liquidity graph, because of course a lot of liquidity was sitting below this level. A lot of liquidity was sitting below this level. So I think the market has grabbed liquidity and is actually above, about to, move all the way up. Okay. So worst case scenario, we might not get to TP2, but quite positive that we'll definitely get to TP1. Okay. So that is why I'm actually entering this trade. So on a 4-hour time frame, it might be looking like it's actually a downtrend, but of course, you guys know you always favor the higher time frame, which for me on this particular trade is the daily time frame. Okay, so that's it. Euro JPY, I'm actually in for a buy. So let's look at Euro USD again. Somebody said how many pips stop loss is. Let me check again. I think it's about 70 pips, right? 75 pips. Yeah, 75 pips stop loss. The stop loss on it is 75 pips. 75 pips. It's 75 pips SL. Okay, 75 pips SL. That's my entry. Okay, that's my stop loss. Sorry. Someone is asking, should you go ahead and trade it? Yes, 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 yes. Go ahead. But like I said, please maintain proper risk management. Don't go and put all your money, please. Okay. Our win rate is 70%, so we don't win every single time, but most of the time we win trades. Okay, just like we did last week. Last week I gave one signal and I gave 3 setups. The 3 setups went exactly as I predicted. Like explicitly exactly as I predicted, and the signal also hit our TP1, was about to hit TP2 before the market reversed. So we most of the time we are correct. Okay, so just in case you are new and you've not heard about our records, that's the record. Okay. So back to Euro USD. Let's look at Euro USD. So Euro USD, the 1-hour time frame, unfortunately did not give us what we are looking for. We're expecting that this candle right here, this blue candle, would actually either be an engulfing candle at least, or at least near engulfing, which unfortunately did not happen. On GBP USD, we're expecting an engulfing too, which unfortunately did not happen. Okay, so on Euro USD, I can actually say we don't have a trade yet. Okay, we don't have a trade yet on Euro USD and on GBP USD. Quite disappointing, but we don't force trading setups. You guys know this. We don't force trading setups. Okay, we really don't force trading setups. Okay. So which other currency pair you guys want me to analyze for you? Which other currency pair do you guys want me to analyze for you? Somebody saying AUD JPY. I really don't trade AUD JPY. I don't trade AUD JPY, if I'll be sincere with you guys, but let's check it out. Okay, so AUD JPY, let's see what it looks like. AUD JPY. So this is AUD JPY on a daily time frame, which is our main time frame. On a daily time frame, I can say that we are on a downtrend. Let me put these things away. So we are on a downtrend. We've been having series of lower lows and lower highs on a daily time frame AUD JPY. On a 4-hour time frame, it's still pretty much looking like a downtrend. It's still pretty much looking like a downtrend. Let me put a moving average on this. Let's see where we are. Okay, the market is now trading above both the 50 and the 20 moving average, and on a 1 hour time frame. um there's no clear direction to this market right now. From my own style of trading, there's really nothing to see on AUD JPY right now. Like, really nothing to see here on AUD JPY. There's nothing to see on AUD JPY. So I'll not be calling any trade on this particular trade. Okay, so let's just let it go. So any other trade, any other one you guys want me to look out for? Okay, somebody said I just entered Euro JPY. Okay, that's good. That's good. TP1, somebody is asking TP1 for Euro JPY. TP1 is 1:1, which is 75 pips. Okay, 75 pips TP. That's our TP1. Then TP2 is about 1:1.6. Okay, so I'll analyze GBP JPY shortly. I see some amazing things happening on GBP JPY. I'll analyze it shortly. But before I do that, now, if this is your first time actually joining us for live sessions, we do these live sessions every Thursday. Every Thursday, I come on live here, or any of our expert traders will come on live here to actually share trading setups with you, to analyze the chart, just like I did with Euro JPY with you guys, to call signals. Okay, we do that every Thursday. Every Monday, like every Monday, I come on live here too, to teach you guys how to trade and make money from the Forex market. Okay, I teach you guys how to make money from the Forex market for real, for real. Okay, every single Monday. If you've been missing our live training sessions, I would love you to actually subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, so that every single time we go live, you will be notified that we are live, and you can actually learn Forex with us. And every Sunday evenings, I share my analysis, I share my market outlook for the week, so that you would actually know what to look out for, the high probability setups to look out for every Sunday evening. So Mondays, Thursdays, and Sundays, we are live here on this channel. And on Tuesdays is for our private group, and weekends is for our private training students group, where we teach students how to make money and trade together with them live in our trading room. But that's actually private. Tuesdays are private, weekends are actually private too, exclusive for our students. Okay, so somebody is asking, where are you in Abuja? I want to meet with you one-on-one. So our office is at Gudu District. That's where our office is. Probably you should just check out our social media, our website, for directions to our office. So this is the website right here. So check out our website for our office address. Okay. Let's see what we have on GBP CHF. Okay. Please, before we go ahead, if you enter the the Euro JPY trade, let me know you entered the GBP JPY trade. If you enter GBP JPY, let me know that you entered the trade. Let me know that you entered GBP JPY. Let me know you entered GBP, Euro JPY, sorry, not GBP JPY. Okay, so on GBP JPY has been an uptrend similar to Euro JPY. It has just been towering all the way up, Okay, and we might be seeing some space again to the upside on GBP JPY. So my bias is definitely still on a buy. My bias is still on a buy on a 1 hour time frame. This is not a favorable entry on GBP JPY. It's not just favorable yet. Okay, so We'll not be taking any trade on GBP JPY. Okay. So far the only trade we have called right now is Euro JPY. We're on Euro JPY buy. On AUD CAD also, I mentioned that if we get a retracement to this zone right here, you can actually sell. Okay. It might be too late to enter here for a sell on AUD CAD. It might really be late. Okay, unless you're willing to have, a very very big stop loss. Okay, then you can enter AUD card. But if not, just wait for market retracement on AUD card and you can actually enter the trade. Okay, on USD card also, on USD card, I'm actually seeing a resistance, a support here, a very strong support level here that has been tested multiple times. And I'm quite skeptical, as I told you, because of the news coming out on USD card by 130. It can actually move either directions. So I'm very, very careful about taking any trade on USD right now. Euro CHF, I already mentioned. This is our Q zone at about this level, this red zone. This is our Q zone. This is where it would be best entry. But if you want to enter now, that means you are willing to have a bigger stop loss, which is about 32 pips thereabout stop loss. Okay, because ATR on 1 hour time frame is 7 pips, and a 30 pip stop loss is, I mean, it looks fair enough. Okay, so do you guys want us to take the risk on Euro CHF? Do you guys want us to take the risk on Euro CHF? What do you think? What do you think? It's looking good for a sell, but this would have been the most preferred point of entry. This red zone right here. This is what I would have loved to have on this particular trade. This is what I would have loved to have on this trade. So we can get at least 1:4 on this trade, which would be really amazing. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think on Euro CHF? Do you guys want to take the risk? Do you guys want to take the risk on Euro CHF, or we should just wait for the entry? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. What do you think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What are you guys thinking? What do you guys think? Somebody's saying let's wait for entry. Yeah. That's a matured trader right there. Okay. So you can, but of course, I won't be live when that is happening, but at least you guys know what to look out for. Okay. Yeah. So let's just wait. Yeah, I can see you guys saying let's just wait. So just to round this up, because we already pressed past time. Just to round this up, this is what we have. We have a trade on Euro JPY. We're already going for a buy on Euro JPY. We're already in profit on Euro JPY. And on AUD card, we're waiting for a retracement. If we get the market retrace to our zone, you can actually sell from here. And then finally on Euro CHF, we are waiting for the market to get to our Q zone, which is this level right here. If it does, you can move your TP to your stop loss, to about 20 pips, and then push the market all the way down. Once you see a significant resistance here, okay, of course, you guys know you should always wait for confirmation. Okay, always wait for confirmation. So that's all for today. Euro JPY, AUD card, and Euro CHF. Let me repeat that. Euro JPY, we're on a buy. AUD card, we are looking out for a sell. Euro CHF, we are looking out for a sell. Okay. That said, I love you guys. Can't wait to talk to you guys again on Sunday. On Sunday, I'll be back here again live to tell you what to expect from the market next week. And on Monday morning, I'll be back again. I think my team said this week I should teach on what was the topic again? They mentioned for next week. Yes, how to 10x your profits, how to make like 10 times your account in 90 days. Yeah, that's the topic I'll be teaching next week, Monday. Okay, so you guys should not miss. Okay, somebody's asking, should we set a buy limit order? I don't like buy limit order. I don't like pending orders, especially when we have a news event close by. You understand? We have a news event coming by 1:30. So if the news event, of course, it has no respect for your pending orders. Okay, so you might just get there, blow it away, and just keep going. So that's why I don't like using pending orders, especially when it's close to news time. Okay, so I just advise you just wait for what will happen in the market and then enter the trade manually. Okay. Somebody is saying, sir, if you can do us a favor by dropping the signal on the WhatsApp once you confirm. Okay, that's fine. I'll actually be, hopefully my team would be looking at that and doing that. You guys should take notes. Everyone watching from the team, please take notes. If you see a signal on any of this, please drop the signal on the chat. And because I'll be actually be away, I want to go and do some quiet shopping right now and buy some things. So I'll actually not be looking at the charts. Okay, so what else? Your lessons are always great and super, but you need to teach us how to convert pips to money. How much is 10 pip in dollars? I think we really need to go back to the basic because I really need to. Some of these questions that I see you guys asking, of course, these are beginner questions, and I think we really need to take out some time and just revisit basics. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Do you think we should do a series on the basics on forex trading? Do like a 1 month series every Monday morning. Every Monday morning, we come on here to teach basic and just take pips, lot size, like that. What do you guys think? If we get like a good number of people agreeing to that, then we'll do that. September, we'll just teach only basics. Okay. So what do you guys think? You guys think this is a good idea? Okay, dope memes. I see you saying yes. Um, before entering a trade. Okay. Yeah, so these are all beginner questions. I think we'll just have a full month of just basics, just teaching only basics, only basics, only basics. Okay. I can see somebody else saying it's a good idea. It's a good idea. Okay, yeah. So that's noted. We've noted that, and we'll definitely come up with something to favor you guys. Because at the end of the day, we really want you to make money. Okay. Somebody saying Euro JPY is on profit. Yes, I think it is. Yup. We're making some money on Euro JPY. Hopefully, we clear TP1 and then hopefully clear TP2. Okay, so we're following it up on the Telegram channel. If you're not on the Telegram channel, on the WhatsApp group, please redeem yourself and join the WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. So this is the Telegram channel. This is the Telegram channel right there. So you can click on it and join. All right, so see you guys. If you got any value, please let me know you got value. Yes, we are really going to. I see people typing yes. I will definitely do that this next month. So throughout September, just basic. So don't miss any of the trainings or any of the mentorship sessions on next week, next month. Sorry, okay. Somebody said, let them go and rewatch your videos. You've done them already. So we want to spoil market for you guys, but I mean, we'll not let that happen. Don't worry, guys. We'll do the basics, okay? We'll do the basics, okay? So I love you guys. Catch you guys again on Sunday. Can't wait to come and meet you guys on Sunday. So have a wonderful time trading and goodbye. Signing out.